Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. I'm on the Not Too Shabby Shop YouTube channel and over on my blog sharing a new video for you guys. This one is using not a new stamp, but a new to me stamp set from Not Too Shabby. This one is called Flower Truck, and excuse my voice, I caught the crud or whatever at the Creativation show, and I'm still in recovery. I'm still not quite there yet, but I did want to start getting back and sharing some more videos with you guys because I haven't been crafting for like a week. I feel so bad. Anyway, I am first starting off with just stamping out. This one is a simple card. It doesn't take any kind of real extra know-how. I'm just stamping out some of the images using some Catherine Pooler inks because I love the colors. The first one is using suede shoes for the truck, and I decided to add a little bit of dimension by adding a little extra dark down at the bottom. Then I'm taking one of the flower stamps that are in here. Basically there are two sets of flowers that will fill up the back of the truck, and I'm using one of those to fill up the back of the truck. I'm gonna go ahead and just speed up this a little bit and stop talking because I'm really, my sinuses are still not where I need them to be. But I do think this turned out to be a really cute card, and this stamp set makes it so easy to make a quick and simple springtime card. After stamping, I'm just trimming down my card panel so that it'll fit on the front of my card base with a little bit of that background showing. And now I'm going to put everything together using some fun foam that I've had in my stash that I'm just trimming up to fit behind the back of my panel, and I'm adhering that in with some art glitter glue, putting some of that art glitter glue on both sides so it adheres well. I'm stamping out a couple of the sentiments onto another white card base panel, actually on a goof up, on the back of a goof up. I mean, there's no point in throwing away your cardstock just because you messed up the stamping. So I'm going to use some more of the Catherine Pooler inks for my sentiments, and I'm not 100% sure which sentiment I want to use. So I'm actually stamping out 3 of those using the Deck the Halls. I really like this color of green, and it's the same color green that I used for the stems and leaves of all of the flowers, so the colors will be pulling together pretty nicely. Since these stamps don't come with a coordinating die, I'm just fussy cutting out around my sentiment because, as I mentioned, I'm wanting to pop this up, and I'm going to use the same foam onto the back of it to pop it up just a little bit. This is somewhat thin foam, so it's not like it's going to add a ton of dimension to my card, but it will add just enough. As a finishing touch, I'm adding some little crystal gems, because I love them so much, onto the front of the card, and I feel that that is a perfect finishing touch. If you want to see more videos where I'm using some Not Too Shabby Shop products, be sure to check out this playlist. You guys have a wonderful day, and remember, if I can make it, you can too. Have a great day.